Hello, amazing learners. Have you ever shared a chocolate bar or a pizza with friends? How do you know who gets which part? That's where fractions come in. Today, we're going to explore fractions step by step so you can see exactly what part of a whole something is. Ready? Let's go. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand what a fraction is, identify the numerator and the denominator, recognize fractions in real-life situations, solve simple fraction problems. First, what is a fraction? A fraction represents a part of a whole. It has two parts, the numerator and the denominator. The numerator tells us how many parts we have. The denominator tells us how many equal parts make up the whole. For example, 1/2, written as 1/2, means one part out of two equal parts. 3/4, written as 3/4, means three parts out of four equal parts. 2/5, written as 2/5, means two parts out of five equal parts. Fractions are everywhere around us. Let's see some examples. Imagine this. You have a chocolate bar with 8 pieces and you eat 3 pieces. The fraction eaten is 3/8, written 3/8. A pizza is cut into 6 slices and 4 slices are eaten. That is 4/6, or 4/6. In a classroom of 20 students, 5 wear red shirts. The fraction wearing red shirts is 5/20, or 5/20. Remember, the numerator and denominator always refer to the same whole. Never mix them up. Let's solve some examples together. Let's solve some fractions together. You ate 2 slices of a pizza cut into 5 slices. Fraction eaten is 2/5. From 12 pencils, 3 are broken. Fraction broken is 3/12, which we can simplify to 1/4. A cake cut into 8 pieces, 6 eaten. Fraction eaten is 6/8, which is 3/4. Out of 10 cars in a parking lot, 4 are red. Fraction of red cars is 4/10, or 2/5. You drank 1 glass out of 3. Fraction drunk is 1/3. Now it's your turn. Pause the video if you need time to solve these. 1. A chocolate bar has 12 pieces. You ate 5. What fraction did you eat? 2. There are 15 students. 6 wear blue shirts. What fraction wears blue? 3. Pizza cut into 10 slices. 7 slices eaten. Fraction eaten? 4. Out of 20 apples, 8 are rotten. Fraction rotten. 5. A glass of juice has 3 parts. You drank 2 parts. Fraction drunk? Take a moment and let's check the answers. 1. 5/12. 2. 6/15 equals 2/5. 3. 7/10. 4. 8/20 equals 2/5. 5. 2/3. Great job! Let's review. Fractions show parts of a whole. Numerator equals parts we have. Denominator equals total parts. Fractions appear in food, objects, and groups of people. Keep practicing, and soon fractions will feel very easy. Well done! Comment your answers below. Like this video if it helped, subscribe for more step-by-step maths lessons, and share it with friends who want to master fractions. Keep learning and keep growing.